Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we're at Home Depot and they got a new delivery in of, well, let me just show you. Peperomia Ruby Cascade. You guys. This one looks the best. Therefore, it comes with me. So pretty. And string of bananas. Oh my god. You guys, they have a bunch of them. Or 4. This one is like flowering. Look at that. Or are those weaves? That's random. This one is definitely flowering. Look at that. Flower there. Oh, so cool. They have a nice selection of succulents.
Hello. They've dropped the prices cheaper for the smaller ones. They're so cute though.
They're nice. Look at, what is this?
There's a snake plant.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
With an arrangement.
I love string of pearls. So pretty. He closed his mouth. Panda plant. It's soft and fuzzy. I think these are string of dolphins. They look like little dolphins. See? What's this bloom? Good old peace lily. There's a ton of new growth in here too. Look at that. Let's see it. For $3.98, that's not bad. You have one of those. You want another one?
I mean, this one's bigger.
The addiction is real. Are you getting that, Drecena?
Yeah.
You gonna get a pot for it? Or do you want to use one that we have at home?
I think I'm gonna get one.
I have a ton of pileas. You gotta go get a fly.
I don't have a fly.
Yeah, because he thinks you gave him food, you tricked him.
Hello.
It's not summer.
Yeah, it is. Summertime.
It's not. Nope. Nope. Just gonna squeeze this a little bit. Doesn't look like it has a very established root system. I'm wondering if I should leave it in here. See what it looks like. We'll peep the situation, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's good to go. All right, I'm gonna kind of brush off a little bit of the soil here. little bit more. I think that should be good. A little bit higher. Okay. That is fancy. Yeah. Pop it in there, kind of just smush it around on the edges. I don't even think it needs to be backfilled. This has a good half a pot of space for the roots to grow down into. The root ball wasn't that established, but this is the same size as this planter. So it was growing fine in there, and I think it'll like Terra Cotta better. I'm really excited about this one, guys. It's trails, so I'm excited to see it trail. All right, on to the next one. All right, now this one seems to be slightly root bound. We're gonna find out right now. It feels like it's almost protruding the pot. Holy moly, y'all! Look at that. Yikes. So this is bone dry. Home Depot, I tell you. And I'm wondering if it needs a bigger pot. Because this looks like it was, you know what, Mia, go in the house and grab me the 6-inch Terra Cotta that's in the drawer. Top drawer, big drawer. We'll be back. Okay, so I thought I had a 6-inch, but I don't. Actually, this is a 6-inch. Gosh, today's not my day. I thought I had an 8-inch, but I don't. So this is actually gonna be fine in here because this will fit nicely in here, and it still has maybe an inch or two at the bottom to extend its roots. I'll probably have to repot this after the season. Let's kind of break it up just a little bit. It's a really healthy root system, so I don't want to like mess with it too much. It's so dry, oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna pop this in here. Pour all of them out. Yep. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna break it up here just a little bit. You know, I actually have some space to backfill it. I'm gonna make a mess, but you know.
That's what I'm for.
It's what we do, you know? All right, I think we're good. Look at these blooms, holy moly. I'm really excited about this, guys. Isn't she cute? It's so healthy. I'm so excited. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us on this mini plant haul. It wasn't expected. We went to Home Depot, found them, decided to do the video. I can't wait for spring to see what else they get in. If you like potting and plant haul videos, give this a thumbs up. If you want to see some more videos like this, comment in the comment section below.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next one.
Bye.